Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I am testing one of the house's smoke alarms that we have here, and it's a Kidde KN Cope IC combination. He ought to show you. Combination Photoelectric Smoke /CO Alarm Model KN Cope IC. And it's hardwired. I have to put it back up out here. I disconnected it. Sorry, that was my finger. After I'm done testing it. These are different ones that are in my room and stuff. Different rooms. Only the talking ones are in the hallways. So here is the talking one. Combination smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. Alright, ready?
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
So yeah, I find that really cool, and I might buy one of these in the future to add to my collection, because honestly, I think smoke alarms like this, they are really cool. Anyways, so yeah, Kidde. So yeah, and that I think is a Fire Axe, unless it's rebranded. I think that's Fire Axe. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video of this to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. See you in the next video. Bye.